Hello dear students, how are you? This is teacher Ali, and today we are going to learn about sequences, the solution, sigma. This sign is called sigma. This sign actually means the sum of the given values. Today we are going to sum the series. There are given some series. We will calculate the series. Okay, so first of all I would like to give you some examples to understand what is sigma actually. Let's see, uh, if there is a given some values like 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, all values belong to x. We will say these values are x, so we can write sigma x. Sigma x mean 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8. Understand, my dear? Let's see one more thing. If we have n values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, infinity. So these are natural numbers. So let a belong to natural numbers. This a mean 1 belong to a, 2 is a, 3 is a, all are a. So a belong to natural. What is the sum of given series? It will be the sum, the sigma a. What is a? A belong 1 to n. What are the values of a? 1 to n, mean a is 1, then plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so on. This is the sum of this series. Okay, my dear, understand? So I will give you some other examples, but before solving those questions we need to understand there are some properties. Okay, my dear, so we have to learn the properties first. If we know the properties, then we can find the sum of the given series. So there are three properties. First of all, I would like to tell you evaluation of sum of the nth term. We are going to evaluate, we are going to find the sum of the nth term. Okay, my dear, if the nth term is number 1, if the nth term is natural number, if nth term is natural number, so what will be the answer? It will be the sigma r equal n into n plus 1 over 2. What is r here? Here are the values of r from 1 to n. If the series is natural numbers, so we can use this formula. This is the first condition for natural numbers. Number 2, the square of natural numbers. What will be the formula if there is a square of natural number? Which formula we will use? That is the sum r belong to 1 to n, so r square. Here it was r, now r square. What formula we will use? We will use 1 over 6 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is the formula for the square of natural number. You need to memorize formulas, my dear. If you know the formulas, the questions will be very easy for you. Number 3, the cube of natural number. So what will be the formula if then there is a cube of natural number? Sum, as told you, this is sigma. You can say sum, you can say solution. There are many names. So cube of, what is r? R belong the values of r 1 to n, the natural numbers. So what will be the formula? N square into n plus 1 whole square over 4. There are 3 formulas. First one for natural numbers, second one the square for the natural numbers, third one the cube of natural numbers. So let's see some examples. By using these formulas, we will try to solve the questions. Yes, my dear. This is question number 1. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square plus so on. This is a series. Okay. What is the sum of this series? So for finding the sum, the solution, the sigma, we need to write it in the form of r. So if I will put here at the place of 1 in the form of r, that is equal 1. So I will show you here. If I will put here 2r minus 1 square plus 2r minus 1 square, 2r minus 1 square plus so on. You understand, my dear? This is the first term, 2r minus 1. If I will put here, if n 1, it will be if the r is 1, if r is 1 here, so it will be 2 into 1 minus 1 equal 1. So this is r1. If r2, it will be 2 into 2 minus 1. It is equal what? 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3. If there is r3, it will be equal what? 2 into 3, because at the place of r I am putting the value of r, minus 1. 2 multiply 3. 3 minus 1, 5. You can see here. The first one is 1. Second term 3. Third term is 5. You understand me? So this is, I wrote this given series in the form of r. Clear, my dear? So what is the sum of this series? What is the sum of this sequence? So the sum will be, sum is 2r minus 1 square. The values of r from 1 to n. The values of r from 1 to n. So if we will open the square, it will be equal, because it is given square. So you know, a plus b whole square, it is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So same here, sigma r1 to n. So 2 square, that is 4r square plus 4r, sorry, minus, because it is minus. If a minus b, it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? So it will be minus here plus 1. 1 square is 1. So let me open. sigma r1 to n for r square minus sigma r belong to 1 to n for r plus 1. This is constant. So what is the formula if the natural numbers, there is a square of natural number, because r it is a natural number from 1 to n. What is the square formula of square of natural number? I told you before, square of natural number, the formula is 1 over 6 into n plus 1 into n plus 1. So we will write at the place of r square. What I will write here, this is 4 same into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. At the place of r square I wrote summation. This 4 is a constant, you can write here. This 4 is also constant, minus 4. This r is natural number. What is the formula for natural number? N into n plus 1 over 2. Clear, my dear? Plus 1 same. So let me simplify. I can simplify. It is 2 and 3. This is 1 and this is 2. 2n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 3 minus 2n into n plus 1 plus 1. There is nothing down, denominator, it has been cancelled. So my dear, we are going to simplify now. Look here, one thing, it is common from here and here. If you don't want to take common, no problem, just take the LCM, that is 3. 2n n plus 1 2n plus 1 minus, this 3 will multiply, 3 2s are 6n into n plus 1 plus 3 multiply 1 3. So we will simplify it. So for simplifying, we will if you want to multiply, you can multiply. If you want to, here we have a, let's see, my dear, we will multiply 2n multiply n, that is 2n square plus 2n into, we have remaining 2n plus 1 minus 6n will multiply with n, it will be 6n square, then plus minus minus 6n plus 3 whole over 3. So now this and this 2 brackets are multiplying. So 2n square multiply with 2n, it will be 4n cube. Then 2n multiply with 1, it will be plus 2n square. Now again 2n multiplying with 2n, then 2n multiply with 1. So 4n square plus 2n minus 6n square minus 6n plus 3 divided by 3. So let us simplify. We have only 4n cube, 4 plus 2, 6n square can be cancelled with 6n. So and 6n minus 2n, because 6 is negative, 2 is positive, we will subtract small value from the big. It is remaining 4n plus 3 divided by 3. This is, my dear, our nth term. R equal 1 to r minus 1 square r1 to n. So this is the nth term, in sum of the nth term. Okay, my dear, so hope you have enjoyed the lesson, you understand. So I will try my best to give you the more easy ways and explain you clearly. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.